peace of mind.
Customer service off the charts.
You'll have a peace of mind.
It really provides me a peace of mind.
We installed the first and most important waterproofing protection for your home in a way that allows people not to have fear, concern, or worry, knowing the job's going to be done right. We're the professionals.
I have no doubt that it's 100% quality, and if anything were to go awry, I'm 100% confident I would call and they'd be there same day.
You know that you can trust them. Any questions that you have, anything that you need answered, you know that you can go to them.
I felt like the young men that worked with them were just so respectful of me and were absolute professionals.
We provide longevity, visibility, and accountability. We fix temporary things quickly, and we'll be there for the big fix when it's time.
They did a phenomenal job for us, and I know that anyone that has any experience with them would agree with me.
I don't have to worry about it anymore.
I recommend Legacy Roofing to almost everyone I know to make sure that they get the best value and the best product.
I can't wait for somebody to ask me, who to use. It's Legacy all the way.
When you bring those right personalities at the right place at the right time, and there's heart in it, that's what gets this work done.